Hey, what are you doing in the 702 today? If in your neighborhood or along your day you see something like this, it's a wide open space, it's a non-performing asset, it's a piece of real estate in a fantastic spot that could be used for outreach, please reach out to us. Call 702-900-6268 or email us 702today@gmail.com. Thanks so much for tuning in. Maybe you can help us find the next great spot for outreach here in the 702. Across from Boulder Highway, our newest location for outreach is in the process of feasibility studies. This is a massive corner right here on Boulder Highway and 95.